welcome. You already know what we do here. All we do, we try to test your IQ to see how smart you are, to see how fast you can think. So you're all welcome to today's live stream. So this is what we're going to be doing. I'll be dropping some nice mathematics puzzles right on the screen, and then all you have to do is for you to solve the math puzzles and then drop the answers. Today is going to be a very long day, so I brought my cookies right here. So, are you ready, guys, to solve today's math quiz? Because it's going to be really amazing. So, we're dropping the first question right now. Let's see how smart you are. Let's see how fast you can think. So this will be our first question for the day. This particular question is going to be our first question for the day. Listen, solve it properly. You can use any method you want to use. You can use either the BODMAS method or any method you want to use to solve these math puzzles. Because I'll be down there eating my cookies and then monitoring the screen to see who gets these nice math puzzles first. So this will be our first question for the day. Are you ready to solve this math quiz, guys? So this will be our first question for the day. So I'll be right here monitoring your answers to see how smart you guys are. So this is it. You're gonna test it. All you have to do is for you to plus this plus 5. Yeah, plus your 5 plus 5 plus 5 times 5 plus 5. What will be the answer? A 55, B 35, C 75, then D 100. Drop your answers. Remember, guys, I'll be eating my cookies and then I'll be monitoring your answers. So let's go, guys. Oh, Amikuma got 55. This is amazing. Biba Fatima got A, which is 55. Wow. All the ladies in the house are getting 55. This is amazing, guys. Who need cookies? Kelly Barton. Okay. We got another guy in the house and he got B. We have a guy in the house who got B. Kelly Barton got 35. Okay, this is it now. Let's make it really amazing. Just drop the method in which you use in solving the math puzzles. Drop it in the comment. Let's make this really brief and amazing. Let's drop the method in which you're using to solve these math puzzles. Let's drop it in the comment. Alright? Biba Fatima, drop the method in which you use in solving the math puzzle. Amit Kumar, drop it too. Amit Kumar, then drop it too. And CC got 55. Now we're having a lot of people that are getting 55. Okay, drop it. Let's see it. Is it BODMAS method you used? Drop it. Let's see what you did. Anybody need cookies? And I got a drink too for myself. Okay, you have to multiply first, then addition. Shout out to Kelly. He's trying to break it down for us. Shout out to Kelly. He's trying to break it down for us. Okay, we got another answer. Muhammad. Mama got 35. Kelly Brown, wow, shout out to Kelly Brown, he's doing really cool. He's dropping the method in which he used to solve it. You guys see what he did? He said the complement multiplication divide operation. Yeah, he did very well. And shout out to Grace, he got 35. Wow, a lot of people are getting 35. But starting off this math quiz, we start having those persons that are having 55 more. But now I can see that a lot of persons are getting 35 more. Okay, Muhammad said 5 plus 5 times 5 plus 5 is equals to 35. Wait, let me understand this. Guys, let's see which method is this. 5 plus 5 times 5 times 5 is equal to 35. Wait, let me think. 5 plus 5 will give us 10. Then 5 plus 5 will give us 10. Then 10 times 10 will give us 100. Mohammed, this thing you are doing, then that means the answer is, with this your calculation, that means the answer is 100, not 35. Or which method did you use? Because I'm confused myself right now. Remy, are you sure? No, I'm not talking about myself. I'm not saying that my answer is 100. See the method Mohammed dropped now. The method Mohammed dropped. That's what I'm talking about. Paul, I understand what you're saying. It's 55. Paul, okay, it's fine. Now drop the method in which you use in getting your 55. Let's see. That method in which you use to get your 55. Guys, drop your answers fast so we can change this question to another one. Steve got B35. You guys are doing very well because a lot of persons are getting 35. I don't know. But for me, okay, Mohammed, hey, now you come. If you don't believe me, check your calculator. How? Mohammed, how will I check my calculator? Because you said 5 plus 5. Okay, if you, with your calculation, listen guys, I'm not talking about my own calculation, I'm talking about the calculation Mohammed is giving us. If you plus 5 plus 5, then he now said, okay, fine, now times again, then 5 plus 5, he now got 35. That's not really, actually, Kelly, get the pattern, tell him we don't need a calculator. We need to test our IQ to see how smart we are. Okay, anyone who gets this right now, we have one cookie. One cookie biscuit. Who need a biscuit? Yo guys, who need a biscuit? Alright, go get more money. Only you know Fido and Okay, guys. So, what did you get? Because you do. Okay. Try and make sure you calculate it properly. Okay. So, shout out to Mako. You guys are doing really cool. Shout out to Noob. Noob on Noop. Shout out to Noop. Noob. Noob, you solved it pretty cool. You're doing very well, Noob. Shout out to Noob on Till Pro. Wow. This your name. It's really cool. You're doing very well. I can see you. You try solving the puzzles. Shout out to Mary. Mary. That's a really good name. Shout out to Mary.
Which Squid Game candy would you choose? Hardest candy. Ignore. Circle-shaped candy. Leave a like. Square-shaped candy. Comments a heart. McDonald candy. Subscribe. Triangle-shaped candy. Share this video with a friend. Umbrella-shaped candy. Do everything. Which do everything. Which everything.
Okay, guys, you guys are really doing well. I don't understand your question, Pro. Pro, what did you say? Can I be? Please say it in another way so I can understand you. Because I didn't understand what you're saying. Okay, I understand what you're saying now. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. You can be the moderator. Okay, so try. Okay, you can be the moderator. So try to help them out. And then meanwhile, before being the moderator, you need to drop the method in which you used in solving the math puzzles. You need to drop it first before we can go straight to the audio part. Okay, that's nice. So I'm waiting for the method. So if you drop the method, then when it's time to change the question, you let me know so I can change the question. Really? Okay, fine. Rain Crouch. I saw what you just said. No, what do you have to say about what Rainer Crouch just said? What do you have to say about it? It's fine. So for me, I would say he should drop his own method in which he solved it. Rainer Rush. Drop the way your method on solving the mathematics. Drop the method in which you're using to solve the maths. Let's see. Okay, it's for kids. You just saying it, drop the method in which you're using to solve it. Let's see, just drop in the method. Because after this particular puzzle, I'm going to be dropping the hardest puzzle you have seen in your life. It's for kids, but you're saying B, rain. See, listen. For what you said the first time, I want you to drop a method in which you use in solving it. Let's see how smart you are. Rain, it's for you now. Okay, so I'm waiting for you guys.
Which Squid Game candy would you choose? Hardest candy? Ignore. Circle-shaped candy? Leave a like. Square-shaped candy? Comments a heart. McDonald candy. Subscribe. Triangle-shaped candy. Share this video with a friend. Umbrella-shaped candy. Do everything. Which Squid Game candy would you choose?
You are all welcome to today's class. This is what we do. We solve mathematics puzzles, and then after solving it, we comment the answers to test our IQ and to see how smart we are. So our moderator for the class is Noob. Noob on till pros. That is he's the moderator for today's class. So he's right here with you guys. So he's going to be dropping the way in which he's using to solve his own mathematics. Then from there we can change the question. So stay tuned. He'll be correcting anybody who gets it wrong. So let's go, guys. So that all of this is for you to see and learn and to be smart. So it's going to be correcting anyone who gets it wrong, and then you that gets it right, he's going to say congratulations to you and let you know that he got it right. Okay, no, May said B. What do you have to say? Pro, what do you have to say? Dear moderator, what do you have to say? Meme, I'm so sorry. The moderator is trying to reply to you. Give him a little chance, a little time. He will reply to your message. Thank you for answering. Moderator, Meme is still waiting for your answer. If it's right, if it's wrong, teach her how to solve it properly. Whoa, congratulations, Meme. Shout out to Meme. The moderator said Meme got it correctly. Wow, and she's so happy. Meme, congratulations. The moderator said you get it correctly. Shout out to Meme. So all of you drop your answers. E, but there's no E. There's no S, there's no E. You're welcome, Mimi. You're welcome. Yes, you can give a hint. B. You can give a hint. Give a hint. So at least they should understand what we're talking about. Give a hint, moderator. Okay, shout out to A's 5CSS. Said the answer is B. Moderator, what do you have to say? Someone got B again. Now, okay, listen to me, moderator. There's something I want us to do right now. Like, if you notice what's going on, right? Because everyone is saying B 35. That's why. Okay, that's why. That's nice. Now that's why almost everybody is now saying B. So what I'm thinking, right? I'm thinking that we should now like tell them, okay, this is it. They should drop the method in which they're used in solving the puzzle in the comment. That's when we'll understand that they solved it correctly. Do you understand? In order for you to test your IQ, you don't have to use your mathematics calculator. You don't have to use your maths calculator to test your IQ. You just need to go straight to the point. Moderator, you see almost everybody is getting B. So okay, now this is it, guys. Drop the method in which you use to solve the maths puzzles. Make sure you drop the method in which you use to solve the mathematics puzzles, so that we can see you get it correctly. It shouldn't be like people are just following other people to answer. Okay, 5 times 5 and 5 plus 5, basically like it's 35. You see, like it's 35. Okay, it's fine if you want. Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, moderator, someone got 55. Ayeno Gola got 55. Moderator, someone got 55.
Which Squid Game candy? Square shaped candy. Leave a like. Square shaped. Shaped candy. Leave a like. Square. Square shaped candy. Square shaped candy.
You're all welcome to our today's live stream. So what we do here, we solve mathematics puzzles. So try to solve the math puzzles and then comment your answers below. It's to test your IQ and to see how smart you are, to see how fast you can think. So this is our first question we have dropped for some time, and which we have the moderator. I'm so surprised that he has not been moderating the chat. Like, he's supposed to be replying to each and every chat of you, congratulating you if you get it properly, and then dropping the correct answers, and then teaching you on how to solve it properly. Okay, sure. Okay, so who wants to be the moderator? Because our moderator is nowhere to be found on our chat. So who wants to be today's moderator again, so that we can appoint a new moderator? So if you want to be, okay, non-Marshall, who want to be today's moderator? I'm ready to appoint a new moderator. Let's record from
Put a finger down if you can watch scary movies at night. Yes.
Okay, guys, you guys did very well in solving this particular math puzzles. Congratulations to you all. We are moving to the next question for the day. Or moving straight to the next question for the day. So, congrats as you guys have moved to the next question for the day. So I'll be dropping the next question for the day right on the screen. So this is what we have. Congratulations, you guys really did very well, and you guys tried. I see you guys going really far in terms of your academics and knowledge. And then don't worry, I'm going to be dropping the hardest question you can ever say. I will be dropping the hardest question you can ever see right now. So are you ready? Are you ready for this question, guys? So this is what we have. Right on the screen, I've brought the new and hardest question you can never see anywhere. Anywhere. If you solve this particular question, you are the smartest genius mathematician ever. So we're right here. We're right here to solve this particular math puzzle. This is going to be the hardest math puzzle you will ever see anywhere. Okay, solve it and drop your answers, and then I'll be right here seeing what you're doing. Really? Okay. So comment your answers. Comment your answers below, guys. Meanwhile, share to your friends that want to learn more of mathematics quiz and puzzles. You can share to your friends that want to participate too. So let's see. Share to your friends that want to participate. They should also participate.
If Stokes twins suddenly passed away, how much do you miss him? I don't care. Ignore. A little bit. Leave a like. Cry every day. Who would you invite on your birthday party? Fake Ronaldo. Ignore. I show speed. Leave a like. John Cena. Comments a heart. Messi. Subscribe. Mr. Beast. Share this video with a friend. Ronaldo. Do everything. Who would you invite on your birthday party? Fake Ronaldo. Ignore. I show speed. Leave a like. John Cena. Comments a heart. Messi. Subscribe. Mr. Beast. Share this video with a friend. Ronaldo. Do everything. Who would you invite on your birthday party? Fake. Which marker would make you a drawing expert? Magic marker. Who would you invite on your birthday party? Which marker would make you a drawing expert? Magic marker. Leave a like. Posca marker. Comments a heart. 3D marker. Subscribe. Grass marker. Share this video with a friend. Neon marker. Do everything. Which marker would make you a draw? If today was your last day in school, how would you spend it? Math class for the whole day. Ignore. Go to school with your favorite YouTuber. Who is it? Bop Girls. Ignore. Salish Matter. Leave a like. Royalty Family. Comments a heart. Ryan Trahan. Subscribe. Trench Family. Share this video with a friend. Stokes Twins. Do everything. Go to school with your favorite YouTuber. If your daddy is leaving from this world, how much do you miss him? Not a...
You want to make a game?
Which YouTuber you want to spend a day with? Fake Mr. Beast. Ignore. iShowSpeed. Leave a like.
You want to make a game, but coding just too hard.
Which YouTuber you want to spend a day with? Fake Mr. Beast. Ignore. iShowSpeed. Leave a like. Stokes Twin. Comments a heart. Ben Azalart. Subscribe. Royalty Family. Share this video with a friend. Mr. Beast. Do everything. Which YouTuber you want to spend a day with? Fake...
So guys, try to solve the maths puzzles correctly so we can move to the next question for the day. So I'm still waiting for who will get the puzzles correctly so that we can move straight to the next question for the day. I'm still waiting for our champion to drop the correct answers. I'm still waiting for our champion to drop the correct answers.
Which Squid Game candy would you choose? Who would you invite on your birthday party? Fake Ronaldo. Share this video with a friend. Ronaldo. Do everything. Who would you invite on your birthday party? Fake Ronaldo.
So guys, come try to solve the mathematics puzzles. Let's go guys. Let's go try to solve the puzzles. I'm right here waiting for you all. Hi guys, hope you're getting it properly, hope you're getting it clear, hope you're solving your puzzles correctly, hope you're using the right method in which you're supposed to be using to solve the math puzzles, because it's very important in using the right method so you don't get it mixed up. So guys, thank you for all for participating in our today's math quiz. You guys did very well. You guys did really amazing, and it's really nice having you guys here. I really appreciate you for coming.
I'm with Ronaldo, and he's gonna teach me how to sue. 1, 2, jump. That's it. No. 1, 2, jump. Yeah.
So thank you guys for being on our live. It's really nice. It's really nice having you guys here today. I really appreciate you guys for coming to today's class. It's really nice, guys.
Would you invite on your birthday party? Fake. Fake Ronaldo. Ignore. Ronaldo. Ignore. I shall speak. Ronaldo. Ignore. I shall speak. I shall speak. Birthday party. Fake Ronaldo. Ignore. I shall speak. Fake Ronaldo. Ignore. I shall speak. Like. I shall speak. John Cena. John Cena. Comments are hard. John Cena. Comments are hard. Messi. Subscribe. Comments are hard. Messi. Subscribe.
So guys, and the battle is won. The battle. Exactly. So guys, thank you so much for being in today's live. So guys, thank you so much for staying on our live. I really appreciate you. I really appreciate your effort. I really appreciate you being on our live stream today. So it's a wrap for today's live stream. So right now I will be telling you guys solved it properly, and then by tomorrow we'll be right here still doing our live. So thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time of coming to our live stream, and then I appreciate your presence. Bye. See you guys in the next video. Though I think I should drop one final question. One final question. One final question to be solved. One final question. This is the final question for today's math quiz. This is the final question for today's math quiz. And then so guys, it's a wrap. It's a wrap for today's class. Thank you so much for participating. I really appreciate it. It's a wrap for today's class. So we'll be heading straight to saying goodbye, and then see you very soon with another amazing questions. Thank you for staying. Do have a blessed day. Don't forget to moderate us, Sully.